So what I was thinking is I am into kind of the mystery type items, and since it's fairly at least inexpensive for the type of items I'm into to do like mystery items, I figured I'd start a series where I can upload another video a week, so 2 videos a week, one like my sit down or vlog or whatever style video that's more professionally done. And by professional, I mean on like my actual like nice camera. And then maybe I'll do a more casual video, so like unboxings or reviews or stuff. So if you guys are interested, please let me know down below of some that you would like me to unbox or stuff. I have a few that I want to do, so yeah. And we are back with another McDonald's Pokemon card opening. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun with the first one. We got a holographic Pikachu, and it was actually in Ben's pack. So we went again today. This is another day, and we decided to pick up a couple more. I got 3 more. It's not my intention to go and like buy these out or anything. I'm just purely getting this for fun. It's kind of like a thrill and like a mystery to see what we get. So I'm gonna open up the 3 that I got. Last time the ones I got were the number 1. So this is my first time getting 4 packs, and from Ben's, he was able to get a Pikachu. So that's crazy. You can watch it. I will link it below. I'm probably going to make a playlist for these videos. So let's get started. Okay. First one, this is what it looks like. Oh, whoa. This one came with a different game. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to show you guys, just so like you get the full tea. So, last time we got the number 4 pack, it came with a little frame, and this game, okay, I just want to show you that. So I think even the insides are different. Ooh, I'm intrigued now, because this is a completely different game. I mean, it's super fun. It's like a little Charmander game to find his friends, I think. And the 4-pack also still came with the little Pikachu frame. So, let's see. Okay. And I always make sure to push the cards down because you can feel them in here. And I just cut along right where that seam line is. Ooh, perfect cut. Okay. Okay, we got another Chimchar. I believe I pulled this. It's kind of hard because me and Ben pulled cards. So let's see. I got my very own Squirtle. How cute. Okay. I got a Froakie. Okay, so these are all 3 cards I got. This one's a holographic. Holographic Cyndaquil. So cute. I love this character. So I feel like that was a good card. We technically got all of these. The only difference was we got a holographic Cyndaquil. So that is pack number 1. Okay, now pack number 2. Oh, see, this one is the same game. So I guess some of them can have different games, but they do all come with the frame, the Pikachu frame. I feel like the Pikachu frame is a little sad because I would feel like you'd get a Pikachu with it, so it kind of makes it a little sad. Okay, next batch of cards. Turtwig, how cute! I love turtles, so like that's a cute one. That's new. A Stobble, we've gotten him. Snivy, we have also gotten him. And for our holographic, we got Chespin. Repeat. I think Ben got a holographic Chespin. Pretty sure. Alright, so we're getting a few new ones and a few repeats. I feel like that's kind of like the fun and the little sadness about it. You're like hoping to get new ones. But hey, it's still fun. Alright, so our last pack. Let's see. Okay. chick. How cute. T-Pig. Also, I refer to him as T-Pain. And I got a normal Pikachu. That's crazy. Okay, what's my holographic? Ooh. Venkin. I don't know him, but this is so cool. Look, babe. This is now, we now have a holographic Pikachu and a normal Pikachu. This is crazy. And we both got them from the number 4 pack. I've heard other people have gotten them from different numbers, so I don't think the pack is specific, but we've gotten them both from the 4 holographic and non, which is so crazy. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's crazy that my first 2 weeks is gonna be a back-to-back of a Pikachu card. That's so crazy. But I think we got good ones. Definitely some new ones. This was like amazing to get my own now, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next casual video or fancy video, depending what you like. Bye!